Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can denoise an image or photo in Adobe Lightroom in 2026. So let us get started. Head over to Adobe Lightroom, and what you want to do is navigate to your image. And just to give you a comparison, guys, let us access the compare view here in the top left to see the original and also the changes. And after that, what you want to do is focus on the edited version of your image to the right and access the editing panel here. Here, guys, scroll all the way down till you get to the noise reduction section under detail. If you don't see it, expand the detail option and you may use these three sliders here: sharpening, noise reduction, and color noise reduction. So start with the first one. You may sharpen your image by moving the slider to the right, and also reduce the noise by moving the slider even up to 100% if you like, and also for more visible results, and also use the color noise reduction. Now let me just zoom in a bit to show you the difference. And then if you look, guys, you will see the difference here in these textures. So that's the denoised version here to the right. And you may, for example, reset the original to see how these changes occurred. And there you go. So that's how it works, guys. That's how you denoise an image on Adobe Lightroom. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.